Hey everyone, what's going on? And welcome back. This is Alvaro. So today guys, I got a new package and I'm super excited about it. So I want to show you what I got. Let's check out the box and see if you guys can guess what it is. So guys, I really want to open it and show you guys what's inside to see what the next mod's going to be on the truck. So let's go ahead and open this box up. All right guys, let's open this box up. Ooh. Hardware enclosed, man. It tells you right there what it is. No, it's a hat. It's a hat. It's a hat and all the hardware that comes with it. So here we go. We'll go ahead and open this up so you guys can see exactly what it is. Move this over real quick and we'll start unpacking this.
This is styrofoam.
Huh?
This is styrofoam.
This is styrofoam. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So guys, if you are looking at this now, you probably know that this is actually a Borla exhaust system that I purchased for the truck. There we go. What is this? The instructions, exhaust installation. Let's see here. And I'll go ahead and get the parts and place them kind of together as they were going to go onto the truck, so you guys can get an idea how it's going to look. This is the right side. So here, I'll start kind of placing them together. See them. Give you guys an idea. Go. So here's the actual muffler. It's kind of nice. Look at that, guys. Nobody's ever going to see that but me, I guess. Borla S-type muffler. My son's picking up the resonator. Also has a little stamp on there. Look at that, Borla S-type. This is it. All right, let's see. Just to kind of give you guys an idea of how this actual muffler system is going to go. You got the Borla resonator, goes all the way down, connects to the actual muffler, goes over my axle, and then splits off into the left and to the right. So this one here, instead of like I have it now, my muffler goes off to the side. It's actually going to go to the back, to the left side, and then around the spare tire, and then go, let's see here, and then go to the right and out to the back as well. So it's a dual exhaust system. Let's see here. Let me show you guys how the So there's three options, guys, on the finish for the actual muffler tip. They had the chrome, They had also the carbon fiber, and then they had the black chrome, which I think looks a lot nicer than what I have now. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's nice. So 4-inch, I think they yeah, I think they said it was a 4-inch muffler tip. Also has a little branding Borla right on top of it. Let's see that. So that's the tip that both of the ends have now. So guys, this is the next mod that we're doing on this truck. It's a catback Borla exhaust S-type. Comes with the instructions here. And the hardware. Let me just go ahead and take this off so you guys can kind of just see the overall on here. Let's see. There we go. So you can see there. That's how it would go. Just like that. So that's the overall right there, guys. So in addition to the actual muffler system, they give you a hat. It's kind of nice, I like it. Alright guys, so the hardware that actually comes with the main exhaust system is 5 clamps, 2 rubber isolators, and then 2 hanger brackets that we'll need for the back now that we're going to have the exhaust going all the way to the back, and 1 heat shield, and your instructions. Hey guys, so I purchased this item at AmericanTrucks.com, guys. And before buying the S-type, I was looking at a couple of the different options that they had. They actually had the Sport, the S-type, and the Attack. And after hearing them out from the videos they had there, samples, I ended up liking the sound of this one, the kind of the deeper sound that this one has when they showed this one on the video. So that's why I went with the S-type. And I'm hoping that this will give it a little bit more sound. Maybe wake up the neighbors, maybe not. I don't know, we'll see. But I like it. I want to go ahead and install this item on the truck already so we can hear it and test it out. Oh my god, this is so hilarious. Hey guys, so I ended up purchasing okay, hey guys, so I ended up buying this item at AmericanTrucks.com, guys. It was I think a good decision. I like it. I went ahead and looked into them before, you know, going with this purchase. I looked at the Attack Borla, I looked at the S-type, I looked at the Sport and the Touring. And after kind of hearing them, you know, it's kind of hard to, you know, really hear how it's going to sound on the display of the commercials, but the videos, oh jeez, let me do this again.